I was just heading to class, but I saw you and had to say hello.
Oh, hello. It's nice to see a familiar face in this crowd.
तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
First, open Google Chrome on your device. In the search bar, type Google One and hit enter. From the search results, click on the official Google One website. Scroll down slowly, look for the See More button and click on it. Now, click on Start Free Trial to begin the process. Select the 0 Indian rupees trial option and click on the Continue. Wait for a few seconds while the page loads. After that, select your payment method and click Continue. Fill the basic details and continue. Note, you'll see a small charge of 2 Indian rupees during this process. But don't worry, this is just for verification and will be refunded within 2 days. Click subscribe and make payment of 2 rupees. Note, turn off autopay after successful subscribing. Now search for Gemini AI in search bar and open it. Now your account has upgraded to Pro version for 1 month. Select the video option and give the detailed prompt a video. The prompt must be clear and specific. This ensures accurate results and avoids confusion. If your prompt isn't clear and specific, don't expect precision in return. It will take 2 minutes to generate video. And that's it, the video is successfully created. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.
Sala chup namdu!